Episode 23, Utilizing Social Media for Business Growth. Welcome back, entrepreneurs. You're tuned into another exciting episode of Start a Business Today. In today's session, we're diving deep into utilizing social media for business growth. If you want to expand your brand presence, connect authentically with your audience, and ultimately drive sales, you're in the right place. We're going to cover powerful strategies, actionable steps, and tips to make your social media marketing not just effective but also enjoyable. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. 1. Understanding social media marketing. Let's kick things off by understanding what social media marketing really entails. Social media marketing is the process of gaining traffic or attention through social media platforms. It's not only about posting updates, it's about engaging your audience and nurturing relationships that turn into customers. Engagement. This is where the magic happens. Likes, shares, comments, and direct messages help build a community around your brand. More engagement means more visibility. Content creation. This involves producing valuable material that resonates with your audience. Think about videos, blog posts, infographics, and stories. By mastering these concepts, you'll be able to leverage social media platforms effectively to grow your business. Identify your target audience. The first actionable step is to identify your target audience. Knowing who you're talking to is crucial for effective marketing. Step 1. Conduct demographics analysis. Take a close look at whom your current customers are. Gather information such as age, gender, income level, education, and location. Use tools like Google Analytics or Facebook Insights for accurate data. Step 2. Develop customer personas. Create profiles representing your ideal clients. Include their interests, behaviours, goals, and pain points. For example, if you're a fitness coach, your persona might be a busy professional in their 30s looking to lose weight and gain muscle. Creating these personas not only helps clarify your messaging, but also ensures that when you create content, it speaks directly to their needs. The more specific you are, the more impactful your strategy will be. 3. Choose the right social media platforms. Next up is choosing the right social media platforms for your business. It's tempting to spread yourself thin on every platform, but that can dilute your efforts. Key platforms: Facebook. Ideal for community engagement, content sharing, and targeted advertising. With billions of users, it's a goldmine for customer interaction. Instagram. A visually driven platform that's perfect for brands with products that can be showcased through eye-catching images or Instagram stories. Twitter. Great for real-time engagement and customer service. It's effective for updates, news, and trending topics. LinkedIn, a must for B2B companies and professional networking, where you can share industry insights and connect with decision makers. Analyze where your potential customers are most active and focus your efforts there. You don't need to be everywhere, just be effective where it counts. Develop a content strategy. Let's move on to the next crucial step. Developing a content strategy. This is your blueprint for creating and sharing content that resonates with your audience. Key steps. Step 1. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your social media efforts? Are you looking to build brand awareness, drive website traffic, or generate sales? Set measurable goals, like increasing your follower count by 20% in 3 months. Step 2. Content types. Decide on the types of content you will be creating. This can include videos, images, carousel posts, stories, live videos, and blog posts. A varied content strategy will keep your audience engaged. Step 3. Creating a posting schedule. Use a content calendar to plan out your posts. This helps maintain consistency in posting, which is key for audience retention and engagement. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can assist in scheduling and posting at optimal times. Consistency and variety are both essential. If you post regularly, your audience will know when to expect new content from you. 5. Create engaging content. Now let's take a moment to focus on creating engaging content. Why? Because engaging content leads to better interaction, and that drives growth. Key elements. Element 1. Tell a story. Craft narratives that resonate with your audience. For instance, share your journey as an entrepreneur or customer success stories. Element 2. Use quality visuals. Invest time into high-quality images and videos. Eye-catching visuals can dramatically increase engagement rates. Element 3. Incorporate user-generated content. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your product. Feature their posts on your page, which builds community and authenticity. Remember, your content should aim to inform, entertain, or inspire. If you hit those marks, you'll foster a positive connection with your audience. 6. Engage with your audience. Creating content is only half the battle. The other half is engaging with your audience. This is where you build relationships and encourage community. Step 1. Respond to comments and messages quickly. The faster you can engage with your audience, the more they will appreciate your responsiveness. It shows you care. Aim to respond within a few hours. Step 2. Host live Q and A sessions. Schedule regular live sessions to engage directly with your audience. This gives them a chance to ask questions and provides a platform for deeper connection. Step 3. Run contests or challenges. Boost engagement by hosting contests or challenges. It encourages participation from your audience and increases visibility. Building genuine relationships can turn followers into loyal customers who advocate for your brand. 7. Analyze and adjust your strategy. The last but critical step is to analyze and adjust your strategy. Marketing is not a one-size-fits-all, so adaptation is key. Key metrics to track goals: engagement rate. Measure likes, shares, comments, and how your audience interacts with your posts. Follower growth rate. Track how quickly your followers are increasing or decreasing over time. Click-through rate, CTR. Analyze the percentage of people that clicked on your content links compared to those who viewed it. Conversion rate. Understand how many social media interactions turned into actual sales. Regular evaluations help you understand what's working and what isn't. Make this an ongoing process. Adjust your content types, posting frequency, or engagement tactics based on your metrics. 8. Case studies and real-world examples. Let's wrap up with some real-world examples. These case studies will help you visualize how these principles work in practice. Example 1. Nike. They effectively use user-generated content through challenges like the Number Better For It campaign. They encouraged women to share their fitness journeys, building a supportive community. Example 2. Starbucks. Starbucks masters Instagram, posting striking images of their beverages, community events, and encouraging followers to share their experiences using hashtags. Both brands demonstrate that authenticity and community engagement can lead to robust social media success. 9. Practical tips and tricks for success. Before we end, here are some practical tips and tricks to enhance your social media marketing efforts. 1. Use hashtags wisely. Research trending hashtags and use them to increase visibility, but don't overdo it. 2 to 3 relevant hashtags are ideal. 2. Leverage analytics tools. Platforms like Sprout Social or HubSpot can provide deeper insights into your performance and audience behavior. 3. Experiment with ads. Consider running ads on your most successful posts to increase reach. Stay updated with trends. Social media trends are ever-changing. Regularly review what's popular within your industry. Thank you for joining this training session on utilizing social media for business growth. Remember, the key to your social media success lies in understanding your audience, engaging authentically, and continually refining your strategy. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? You can find more related materials to what we share here on bizbuddy.com.ng. bizbuddy.com.ng is a cutting-edge online resource hub, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of entrepreneurs and business owners seeking a comprehensive repository of information, tools, and resources to bolster their business acumen. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs looking to elevate their social media game. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Share your favourite social media tips or any questions you might have about your strategy. Until next time, start building your brand on social media today. Let's connect and grow together.